Hey Nash, what should we make?
I keep seeing these viral videos of this keto 2-ingredient crispy onion rings or onion sheets, and I know I can't eat them, but we should make that.
All right, let's make keto crispy onion rings. So there's this viral video going around about crispy onions, keto crispy onions, crispy onion rings, whatever you want to call them, or onion sheets, 2-ingredient onions. So anyways, today we're going to try it out. Usually it comes with some sort of backstory. My dad owned a diner and I grew up loving onion rings and now blah, blah, blah. We'll skip all that. So we're going to try it out. It is technically a two-ingredient recipe plus oil and spices, but a lot of times I think those don't really count because you got them. You should have them. Anyways, without further ado, keto 2-ingredient crispy onion rings, whatever you want to call them. Let's go. So we're going to start with a couple of onions and we want to cut them like so. And we want to get all this stuff off. So they're like this, nice and clean. Let's get this crap off, whatever that is. Then we grab our medieval finger death, our finger destruction device, and some onions. And I don't know, this thing scares me so much. Now, I'm gonna use this little shot glass thing to try and, oh yeah, that might work. That might actually work. All right, so let's try. How thick is that? I think that's about what we want. Like, what was that, like a 1/4 of an inch? I'm not crying, you're crying. Next, we want to grate some Parmesan cheese. If you want to use pre-grated for this, I'm sure it's actually fine, but this is my cool new little cheese grater. It actually works really well. Preheat your oven to 400. Don't forget to pay the cheese tax. And we get out a sheet pan with some parchment paper on it, and then we give it a nice layer of our cheese. Try to get it kind of even, and I don't think we want it too thick. Something like that. Try and even it out a little bit here. And then we just go in with our onions, like so. Oh, come on, stay together, guys. Stay together here. And then I guess we give them just a little drizzle of avocado oil. I said olive oil, but olive oil burns at a low temperature, and so you don't want to use it if you're cooking something at 400. So go with avocado. Parmesan cheese has a lot of salt in it, so I'm just going to do a tiny little pinch of salt here. Just a little bit of black pepper, smoked paprika, and some Italian seasoning. And then we put this in the oven for allegedly 20 minutes, but I'll let you know how long it takes until everything kind of gets, the cheese melts and gets crispy, and the onions are supposed to be crispy and a little bit golden brown. But before I do that, I wanted to try a little experiment here. So we used like good Parmesan cheese that we shredded or that we grated on the first one, but my question is this: what about this shitty kind of powdered Parmesan cheese that I'm sure we all have lying around? So, oh. All right, so we had a little bit of an explosion. So I don't know how much of this I have left, but let's try this and just see if it works. So that's enough for like 1 onion's worth, right? And we'll give this a little bit of oil and just a little bit of seasoning. Then we cook them in our oven for 20 minutes. So here we have our little guys. Cheese might have gotten a little bit burned. And then here's our powdered guy. So let me see. Yeah, all right. So that one works. This one, let me see. Yeah, I guess it kind of worked. Yeah, look at that. Cool. I guess we just sort of... I guess that'll work. And there we have our keto 2-ingredient crispy onions, or crispy onion rings, or whatever we're calling them. I don't know. Here we go. Time for a bite. Cheers. It's actually really good. So I was trying to get the onions a little bit more crispy, but I didn't want to burn the cheese. So I was kind of sort of testing the line between those two. And I thought the cheese was a little bit burned, but it's actually really good. And the onion almost tastes like kind of a little bit sweeter and caramelized, which you don't really get in like an actual onion ring. So I would say this is fantastic. It turned out a lot better than I thought. Super easy to make. And bonus, you get these little parm chips. A lot of times viral videos end up being overrated, at least a lot of the ones I've tried, but some of them turn out great. This one I would say is great. Go try it, totally worth it. And super duper easy. And if you're trying to do keto or paleo or something, this actually falls into that. Nash can't try these, but let's check in with him anyways. Hey bud, how you doing?
I can't complain. It's against company policy.
Well, I know that you can't eat these crispy onion rings, but we do have a little Parm crisp we made for you. So here you go. Actually, we have a few. What do you think?
I can imagine the crispy onions are delicious, but I'll never complain about cheese, especially this delicious crispy cheese.
Anything you want to say to your fans?
Whenever you find yourself on the side of the majority, it is time to pause and reflect.
Nash approves, I approve. Like I said, pleasantly surprised. It's really good. Turned out good, easy to make, pretty healthy. Congratulations, viral community. You got it right for once. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Really means a lot. Appreciate you. Love you all. If you wouldn't mind taking a second to like, share, and subscribe, that'd help us out. If you want notifications every time we drop a new video, go ahead and hit that notification bell. If there's anything you want me to cook, you want me and Nash to taste, go ahead and drop that down in the comments. And just remember, cook more, eat better, embrace the chaos. That's it for now, folks. Until next time, peace.